Wow.
Right this way. Look how big they are. They're probably like 150 years old. Get it up close in like 20 minutes.
He tried though.
Look at the iguana. And I know my brother. Let it get them. They in a loving relationship. Ooh, they real segregated. Yeah.
What you doing?
Cleaning her.
Here, look at him.
Look at his booty.
That's you smelling his
Why
ass.
is their eyes like that? I wonder. You see his eyes?
How his eyes? White.
Hey.
Hey,
Whoa.
back up.
You was digging for gold.
Not you licking it. Come on now. Ashley ready to see the show. She's a child.
You want to try it? You're going to stand up right there. Just try grabbing me with your best shot. I just want to prove that it's not a fake hazelnut. It's not a decoy hazelnut. I do have Pitbull over here. Pitbull is a beautiful car. It's actually, Pitbull's going to go ahead and wave at you guys right now, right? Right.
Is he named like Pitbull, like, you know, after Mr. Worldwide, Mr. 305?
What do you mean?
Hotel.
Don't know who Pitbull is, but Pitbull here, this blue and gold macaw, is going to crack this hazelnut open right now. So they do have a little bit of a take. I think I heard someone say snake.
Gross.
Snake? This is not a snake. So this is actually known as a legless lizard. And I'm not good? Oh, okay, you didn't understand what I meant, but so at least one of you understood that. Can we give a round of applause for him holding his very first snake? But this is actually not a...
There's so many reptiles here today. That's so gross. Okay. I don't want to open this alone. And I really don't.
I kind of thought you would fall for it, and I had a special friend that wanted to come out. So you guys look nice and terrified. My shoulders. And you guys, can we get a round of applause for them as they make their way back up into the audience?
It's like, well.